Good morning. What's going on, guys? It's James with the game, and today is July 6th. It's my baby's birthday. Yeah, boy, happy birthday to Ebony, man. It's her birthday, man. I'm out here trying to go hard, work hard, so I can spend some money on her. But yeah, man, it's July 6th. Back at it. I'm not gonna lie, I'm taking it light today. It's already 90 something degrees. Yeah, I'm a cat. I'm a cat. I'm only gonna probably do maybe 6 today, man. I ain't gonna lie. There's no need to run out here and kill myself. Like, it's really not. Alright, so yeah, I figured it out. It is 25 for both of these. Hey, I'm low key mad at myself, because I could be at least getting 30. At least 30. But it's cool. These are my peoples. They've been with me since day one. I'm on my 3rd season. So they've been with me since day one. So I'm getting ready to get to it. We get ready to start cutting. I'll see you guys in a minute. I'm gonna do a quick walk around and we out of here. Alright, everything looking good. Oh shoot. Alright. Got this. This the front. Edged it. Alright. We out of here, man. 50 bucks real quick. Yo, what's going on, guys? It's James with the game, and I am on my way to the next property, which is 6 minutes away. Alright. You know what helped me out when we got a lot of rain? I was able to line all of my clients up the right way. Now I'm not all scattered around the city anymore. So like, I'm literally coming from 5 minutes, 6 minutes, I'm at the next property, no problem. So I think it's called route density. Tighten up, get route density. I think I'm saying it right. But yeah, you gotta tighten them routes up, man. So that's what I had to figure out. It took me a little minute, but I figured it out. Anyway, on my way to the next property, small little bush trim, backyard, I'm out of there. Alright? Then I gotta go clipping, I gotta go do a tree. I gotta go do another tree trim. And there's a couple other things. I just gotta look at my itinerary, man. I got everything written down. But like I said, it's almost 95 degrees already. It's not even noon yet. So I'm trying to beat this heat. I'll catch y'all at the next property. Peace. What's going on, guys? It's James with the game, and today we got some bushes to do. We got some trees to do. Really a weed tree. It's not even a tree no more. It's all weeds. All that is weeds. But we get ready to trim that down, get that right. Get up out of here. Got the youngin' with me. You know what I mean? In training. Drees with the game. He got some content coming to the channel as well. But let's get to it, man. See y'all in a second. Yup. Exactly. All right, guys, so here we go. Looking good, looking clean. We on to the next. And then I started at 9:19. Got done at 9:50. So, all right, guys, so we at the next property. Woo! It's blazing. He taking care of the grass right here, as you can see. He taking care of that. And I'm going to come behind him and clean up. You already know. So we just finished it up. Just gotta get the back now. We out of here. Come on. Yo. Come on, bring it up to the back. Don't worry about that right now. Yo. Don't worry about that. Come on. I got you. Y'all see me, right? My arms. It's crazy. It's 94 out here right now. 94 degrees. Look who not sweating. Where you sweat at, bruv? See y'all. Alright, guys, so while he doing his thing, it's my baby boy, he 11 years old. While he doing his thing, I'm gonna go do my thing. Alright? I'll see y'all in a second. We in the back now. I ain't about to get it. Yo, yo. Exchange with the game, and whoa. It's hot, bro. It's hot. But we out here working. We get two. We got two more to do. We got a little Wendy's going on. And yeah. We really don't like fast food, man. We do smoothies and all that, but nothing like them nuggets, bruv. And barbecue sauce.
Better, not even nuggets.
So, two more to do and it's a wrap. This is what sucks about this, the heat. But gotta do what you gotta do. So, I'll see you guys in a second, man. Peace. Alright, guys, so got the youngin' get ready to tighten up the street. I'm getting ready to cut this real quick. And we out of here. We got it done. Alright. 25 bucks. 20 minutes. Shouldn't have took me that long, but it is what it is. But it's done. It's done. Alright. See you at the next property, man.